Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level on your headphones JBL Live 660 NS on iOS devices. Basically, you have a few options how to do it. The first one is create a widget, so scroll to the right, then press on empty space, click on plus, scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one for your widget, let's say that, and click add widget. And here we go, we can check battery level. And the second option is to use JBL application, so open it. Now here you should choose your device, and right here at the top we can see a battery level. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.